Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Today we are going to discuss October-November 11, variant 12, questions 36. This question is regarding about nitrogen and sulfur. In the car engine, non-metallic element X form a pollutant oxide Y. Further oxidations of Y to Z occur spontaneously in the atmosphere. In this further oxidations, 1 mole of Y reacts with 0.5 mole of gaseous oxygen. Which statements about X, Y, and Z are correct? So first of all, we will need to figure out what could be the possible X, Y, and Z. So in the car engine, the pollutant that we have is either carbon dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, and sulfur dioxide. Alright, but because the carbon dioxide doesn't come from non-metallic X, it comes from the hydrocarbon, which is CX and HY. So therefore, this is not the answer. Alright, so the next thing we need to look at is the other elements. So for this, the elements could be N2, and for SO2, the elements could be X. So the non-metallic X form pollutant Y. So basically, we can eliminate the possibility for this. Why? Because this is not an element. They just want an element. This is a combination of two different elements. Alright. Now next we're going to look at is the Z. So it says that 1 mole of Y reacts with 0.5 mole of gaseous oxygens to form the Z. So the possible Z could be NO2 and this could be SO3. Okay, so now we need to see the XYZ, whether it belongs to nitrogen or sulfur. So now we look at it. The oxidation number of X increased by 2 from Y to Z. So according to this oxidation number is plus 2 and this is plus 4. This is plus 4 and this is plus 6. So basically, the answer number 1 is for both of it. Okay, it can be either this and this. And the molecule of Y has no unpaired electron. N has one odd number of electrons. Okay, so when you say no unpaired electron for Y, that's wrong. Okay, and SO2 has a few pair of lone pair. So therefore, number 2 is wrong as well. So when number 2 is wrong, number 3 is definitely wrong. So therefore, the answer is D.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.